Alright, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix the Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Okay, so last video we have been making very slow progress. Somehow mental capacity was at -10 or -1000. And yeah, going at snail's pace. Okay. Good. So okay, we need to start adding some things. Show app. Okay. Let's go for starters. Let's create a let's see what is currently there. Okay, so let's remove the breakpoints. Let's move. Oh, I can't let go of this. Now I can. Configuration. Right. Make color. I think, hold on, we have color here somewhere. Color. Just trying to get some color here. But that's not right, isn't it? Okay, now we have some nice dark backgrounds. Maybe it's a bit too dark. So 196. One 188. 184. Well, it looks kind of ass, but okay. Change it later. Okay, okay. I don't know how to begin this thing, but let's just write something. Okay, show app. Okay. Okay, in GUI begin. Let's put like a main window. What is this open? Will open. True. In GUI open flags. Yeah. So what is a flag value? Control click. What? Okay, that is stupid. That's really stupid. No flags, none. No inputs. No inputs. No decoration. I wonder, is there a way to spawn a window that already assumes a position? Okay, so basically this should just now print a main window, right? And we can close it and then never bring it back again here. Okay. Okay. Good. Then we just add some stuff here into this window for starters. Okay. I think we can here put this inside. Demo file dialog. Now if we close that thing, we can't. Because it will just reopen it. Because it's always true. ImGUI ImGUI window ImGUI background window covering all. Do we have something there? Window covering all. No bring to front on focus. Basically, I would like to have a window that just covers the entire frame always. It has a menu bar. And it has these. No resize, no move. No decoration. set window size. Not recommended. Set window pause size. So I suspect we can put this here in GUI, this and that. Main, vec2, 0, 0, and size. Let me see. Resize width. We should probably add a void set size, set window size in vec2 xy xy. XY is maybe a bad name. Vec2 put here that's MQI app. I put vec2 window size. Window size equals 0, 0. Okay, then here we call app set window size invec 2 to back buffer right. Okay, so this should then, in my estimation, should change the window size here. Condition nothing. Set access to 0, 0 to force an auto fit. Oh, so we could also pass 0. Okay, let's do a vex 0, 0 then. Let's see. Let's see. So basically, I want a window in the background that is always assuming the whole space, the whole thing. But that's not happening. Now we have it here. Okay. That's not quite the right position here. Okay, so it looks like it takes it literally as a whole thing. So we need to get pos, I guess. Set window size. Void set window pos. Invec 2. That's too complicated. Let's ask our friend the ChatGPT. With ImGUI for Windows, how can we create a background window that assumes the same? How can we create a background ImGUI window with a menu bar that assumes the same, that takes the same position as the Windows, as the native window from Windows. For Windows, how can, with ImGUI for Windows, how can we create a background ImGUI window with a menu bar that takes the same position as the native for Windows with DirectX 9? Let's suss this. Set next window pos, set next window size. Get window rect. Oh, ChatGPT is extra slow here. Okay, so it's close to what I actually had in mind. Yeah, okay. I see. I see. Okay. Good. Then let's get back to here. So resize with so let's move case w move resize width so static uint resize width, and let's put G window pos window left. But can we hold on? The problem is if I do this window left right, I think this gives the window rect the outer edges, including the bars and edges. Does window does get window rect return the outer or inner edges of the window? I would like to use the inner edges. Outer edges, yeah. Get client rect. Get client rect. Okay. Position. Size. Huh. Okay, that's actually really useful. That is actually really useful. Okay, so okay, position and size. Top left. Okay, let's see if that works. G. Okay, where's our window? Here. Okay. Vec2 pass size. Pass size. Pass. Do we really need to forward declare these functions? Not sure. Maybe we don't. It's not complaining here. Okay, pause. No, size. Pause. Pause. Okay, and then in here we set window pause and window size. Okay. Okay, it does actually need the forward declaration. But then why bother with forwards? Just put it before then. can change it another time. Good. We need to implement this guy. Maybe we just. I mean, this function is so simple. I guess we just put it in line. Window pos. So pos size. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's see if that works. Haha. Yeah, that works. Okay, that's cool. So that means you can then here have a menu bar if we like. I don't know what to put in there yet, but yeah, that's kind of the standard way of doing things, I guess. Yeah. I think this also means that we can make our clear color, simply make it black, right? Oh. Okay, that's unexpected. That is really unexpected. That looks like a bug. Yeah. We don't want it dockable, right? Yeah, let me see. Here. No docking. No docking. Okay, and so I think we simply make this here black. So. Okay. And it's no longer dockable. Okay, great. This is exactly what I wanted. Yeah. Okay, so that means we now have that. Good. Yeah, this is good. Okay, ChatGPT also gave us here some template for this background window. Yeah, no title bar, resize. Yeah, okay. And then we do begin menu bar, and we will have let's say menu. Menu. Return true when activated plus toggles. Menu item. What does that mean? True when activated plus toggle. True when activated plus toggle. So selected. I see. Okay. Oh, I still need to learn how to actually make menus with that thing. Okay, so menu. I don't know. Let's just put a dummy here for now. I don't know what to do with it yet. Let's see if that works. Okay, menu, new. And we can resize this. Oh, that's unexpected. Debug. Show app. So we probably need to move the show app to the front so that the demo window is always on the top, and then we remove this thing here. Okay. No backgrounds. Okay. I'm not very proud of what we have so far. It's better than nothing. Okay, how about we add... I just want a button and something. Some functionality. Okay, I'm not a UI bro, so this stuff is hard. UI is hard for me. Okay, how do we do this? But I'm happy that at least we have a menu bar. So basically the idea is that the menu we can then use to spawn new windows, like we have here. Spawn things. And what I find a bit weird is that we can move windows outside the app. That is kind of weird. I think they should stay within, right? Because otherwise it's just chaos. Like you have this thing outside, like doesn't really belong there. Let's ask our friend ChatGPT. Can we... Is it possible to prevent Windows from moving out the native window area prevents ImGUI frames from moving out. Is it possible to prevent ImGUI frames from moving out of the native window area? Clamping their position. Okay, it's kind of, I understand, it makes sense, but it's really complicated. Mouse pause. Window pause. Window size. Let's see. It is clamped, yeah. But also it's somehow tied to my cursor. Because of this here. That's not good. Okay, let's say we put this to 0, 0. And window size 0, 0 as well. Let's see. Clamped window. Okay, we can't move it because it always has this fixed position now. Okay, I don't understand this approach. Like, and how is this window? How can this clamped window become stationary within these boundaries? No. No. That's not what I want. Stop. I still want it to be movable, but not bound to the mouse cursor position or a fixed condition position. Ah, I see. So you have to detect. I see. I see. Clamp window is in bounds. Okay. Ah, okay. So you can. Oh, that's clever. Clamp is in bounds. I see. Right. Okay. So we begin this window here. Clamp window. So we take this clamp and then set window pos. Well, what about Hey, let's test this. I assume it will be problems though, because what if you resize it larger than the whole thing? That doesn't sound right. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Well, it tried. Okay, so somehow this doesn't work. It has to be done with the set next window pause. But here we can't. ChatGPT tried. MGUI clamp window to native window. Clamp frame. Yeah, this is basically what I tried to do here, right? You have this thing. In frame. Okay, so there's actually a library that does it. Clamp frame to native window. MGUI clamp window. Set next window pause constraints. Come on, let us. Okay, I have no idea what's going on here. It's too complicated. Maybe it's better we don't care about this. We just let the user, but then things are maybe looking really chaotic. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's hide this stuff here for now. Okay. Debug log. And the CUI stuff is super complicated. Okay, we are here. Okay, so how does this work? Has debug tools. Show debug log. Has debug tools. Debug log. Show debug log. What is enabled? Ah, okay. Okay, well, that looks actually simple enough. So say null pointer menu let's call this command test. Command test. Show command test. Show command test. Show command test false. Bool. Then show command test. Okay. And then we say if show command test, then we do it here, begin command tests. And this will be show command test, right? No. Show app. How about we rename it to update app? Update app. And here we do update command tests. Update command test voids. Then we make a new function down here. Let's maybe call it update. Yeah, update app is okay. Then here begin command test. Now the question is, do we need to gate this or not? This is a learning curve, this thing. Okay, but I assume, let's add a text in there for testing. Command test. So you can move this thing. We can't close it. Why not? Okay, how is this supposed to be used? demo. Okay, let's see how this thing is used. Okay, if show this, then do that. Okay. Okay. Begin. P open. P open. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Show debug. Mm-hmm. Okay, it makes sense. So I would say we do it the same way as they do it here. Let's go to imgui app here, p open. P open. P open. Okay. And so basically if show command test, then we update this guy. Okay, I expect this. Okay, but it makes sense. We don't like do things if the window is not actually opened. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so menu, command test, and there it goes. Very nice. And then we can close it and reopen it and close it here as well. Okay, this is cool. I like this. This is good. Okay, great. But we can still like move it anywhere really. It's not bound. It's not bound. It's kind of weird. This is kind of weird behavior. Okay. Yeah. It's weird. It's weird. But basically what you can do is you can enlarge it and you can move it anywhere you like. It's kind of weird. Oh, now we got a bug. What happened? I can't select it anymore. Let's see. Yeah, when I deselect it, I can't move it anymore. Now I can. Now I can. Okay, so after resizing this whole thing, it breaks. So there's some bug. That sucks. That really sucks. Does this only happen if it's inside this thing? Well, move it here. Okay, when it's outside, I can move it just fine. But when it's inside, it bugs. For some reason. Oof. No move. No docking. Yeah, that's not good behavior. I assume it happens because of our background window somehow. What other flags do we have here? No decoration. No inputs. Maybe we have to give it that. No inputs. I don't know. Something is not right. Okay, we really make very small steps here. Absolute newbie steps. Okay, now I can't click here because no mouse. Yeah, so that's not right. No focus on appearing. Maybe this thing. Why not? Menu bar. Not docking. Okay, so this works, and now it's broken. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's a bug in ImGui itself. Very likely. I mean, I don't really do much. I really don't do much at all. Yeah, I guess this was never tested. Yeah, that's a little bit unfortunate. ImGui sample apps. Examples. So when we look at some of these apps here, yeah, I mean here this one also has, but here they have like a bar here at the top. How did they get it there? I know Tracy. That would be interesting. Tracy profiler. Tracy profiler. Let's open this guy. Allow access. Okay, so this is also built with ImGUI. Okay. So we have a window here and we can, it doesn't render outside. And it is actually capped, so they did something there. Okay. Tracy Profile is a complex tool with many features. It can be difficult to discover all of them on your own. Achievements. Yes. Wow, achievements. Okay, so this one doesn't have a bar, but it has like a starting thingy. And you cannot move it out. That's actually interesting. Yeah, I like that. Maybe we can replicate it. Yeah. Okay, this is cool. They don't have a bar. Well, we have nothing to connect to. Can we... I don't have a trace, so... Yeah. Let's open a CMD. City, D. Tracy capture. question mark, capture. Capture outputs dot Tracy. We can't. So we can't. We can only. It's only via sockets. This works. Yeah. Okay. Tracy sample capture. Okay, but we see that in Tracy there is some. They figured some way to limit this and also don't render it outside, so that's nice. So I guess there will be some options, and whatever we did here is totally broken. Like, hold on, let's see if this breaks here. So they have this, and then we make this smaller, and you can still move it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What's this? Okay. So to me it looks like we can't do this kind of thing here. It just breaks. Maybe winner size. Post size. Maybe we need to restrict the imvec2 dot x and that's like 10f. What happens if we just make the y size smaller? Maybe then it doesn't break anymore. Let's see. So basically this is no longer a window space. Let's see. Yeah, now it doesn't bug anymore. Okay. Can we maybe make this then 0? Yeah. Maybe we can make it entirely 0. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. So basically the menu just draws really wet. Okay. Okay, but as long as it works, that's perfectly fine. Yeah. Yeah. That works for me. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think that's good for starters. Yeah. Okay, we can re-explore this going outside the window, whatever. But yeah, for now, I guess we can just leave it for now. Okay, it behaves a bit strange, but I'm already happy with this. I'm very happy with this menu. Yeah. Okay, but maybe we put it back to the full length, how it was before, like this. Maybe we do that. I think it looks a bit more natural. Let's see. Yeah, then you have this here at the top, which looks more like the regular Windows app, right? Yeah, command tests. Okay. Yeah, I think that's already a decent start. Okay. No focus and appearing. I think we can remove this flag then. Okay, so this works. Update command test. Okay, let's add some stuff in there. So we want to have well, let's open a sample app. Okay, so oh boy. Widgets. Text inputs. Here, I want something like this. Oh boy, this UI stuff is hard. So basically I want to be able to create a list of files that we want to load and then compare. How can we do this? I don't know. I don't know. So there's list boxes, but that's not it. Okay, maybe we should ask ChatGPT for a starting point. I don't know where to start. I would like to create a I would like to create a list in imgui that I can add and remove elements from. The elements should have some subfields. How can we do that? It's an imgui that can add and remove elements. I'd like to create a list in imgui that I can add and remove UI elements from. The elements should have some fields such as text inputs. How can we do that? Let's see what it comes up with. Yeah, vector, yeah. Yeah, vector, yeah. Iterate, yeah. Add elements, yeah, let me see. Okay, list element as text, okay. Dynamic list. Push ID. Push ID, input text, im erase. What the hell? Poof. Function to render the dynamic list. Vector to store list elements. Render dynamic list. Begin dynamic list. Display each element with fields. Remove. Push ID. Push ID. Okay, I'm a bit confused as to what is even going on here. I'm really confused. Let's see. Okay, so we have input files. That is our vector. Good. So input files. Input text. Good. So we have dot input file. Okay. Text. Can we, how do we make it? Input text here. Give it a string. Input file. There we go. No, that doesn't work. Input file. Oh boy, I feel like beginner here. Why is this not working? Let's stop the debugging. Okay, so we have a button remove. Button to remove this element. Okay, so for some reason a complaints here, but we have this here. We didn't include it, didn't we? Includes visits. misc cpp. misc cpp this. Okay. Okay, now it works. Good. Elements, erase, begin. Okay. Remove element, yeah. And this element's ID scope. Skip further processing for this element since it was removed. But is this legal? Like we erase pop ID, push ID. This looks dangerous because we are iterating here. We're erasing this. What happens if we erase the last element? Looks like it would crash here. ID stack. Well. Display each element with fields. And place back. List elements. And place back, just add an empty one. Okay. Okay, it somehow compiles. I have no idea what this push ID thing is. Let's see. Okay. Okay, well, it's not bad. And we can remove it. Huh. 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 Actually works. That's pretty sick. Wow. Okay. Oh, ChatGPT, really smart. Input file. Huh. It's kind of weird that the name of the text field is behind it. Is that here as well? Widgets, text input. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Input file. Remove. Okay, but this is not bad. Yeah. I'm surprised that this works here. I may put a breakpoint here. Button remove. Let's put a breakpoint here. Let's click here, remove. So we are at 6. Remove. 5. Size 6. Size 5. Okay. But something is wrong here, because if we remove an element, it something looks wrong here to me. But I don't understand this. Push E. Hold on. What is it? Let me see what that does. Push integer into the ID stack. Will hash integer. Why is my widget not reacting when I click on it? Creating widgets in a loop. Most likely I want to push. Push integer into the ID stack. Will hash integer. I don't understand this thing. I don't know. I mean, it's great that it works, but I have questions. I have questions. So what I'm suspicious of is, let's say I remove index number 1. So this is 0 and this is 1. Yeah? So 1, this means I erase this guy here. Yeah. Maybe let's add an element. Let's add some text here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And I remove this guy. And we didn't put a breakpoints. Let's add a new entry. Okay, now our order is totally whack. Okay, like this. Okay, and then we click on remove here. Okay, so now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. So it would erase 2. There we go. And now, but it will now continue at the next text, which is 4. So it will skip 3 now, which doesn't sound right, does it? Oh no, it's 1. No, hold on. No, 1 is where we deleted. I don't understand. Why is there even a continue? It does pop here, ID. So now we go to 2. 2. That means we will index 4. So we have skipped 3. So something is not right here. And we push this again. I don't understand this pop IDs thing. Push ID. Set a unique ID for each element to avoid ID conflicts. I don't understand it. I mean, the loop makes sense to me, but this push thing, push integer into the ID stack. Why is my widget not reacting when I click on it? How can I have widgets with an empty label? How can I have multiple widgets with the same label? I see, because they all have the same label here. Ah, okay. Okay. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that we probably should remove this. And we should probably also... We should... Yeah, no, we should decrement I, no? Because we have deleted one. Let me see. I'm not sure. So, add elements, remove. I mean, it works. To me, that seems to be more correct than what ChatGPT gave us. Yeah. Okay, then let's do the following. In GUI, I guess there's something like group, begin group. Yeah. And in GUI, end group, right? Yeah. And so basically what I would like to do is now put open simple dialog. put here exe pdb. Let's rename this to updates executable. Well, let's update input file browse. Well, file input file dialog. Okay, there we go. So open. Let's call it browse. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it will be fine. It will be fine. Open dialog. Choose file dialog key. Can we make this shorter? Input file dialog. Okay. Key title. Choose file. Select file. So exe pdb we can select. What can we select here? Pass. Default file name. No. Count section user. Yeah, whatever. Let's remove these useless comments. Okay. Action. Close. Okay, so let me see. Update input file dialog. So yeah, let's put this guy here and hope for the best. Hope for the best. How about we enable our this by default so that we don't have to open it every time. Okay, it did put the button here, and it does open this thing, but I would like to have it next to each other. Man, this stuff. Display text input field for this element. Oh boy, this gives me brain tumor here. Um, begin group. I think the app has had here layout and scrolling groups here. Okay, how does it do this? Begin group locks the horizontal position for new line. End group bundles the whole group so that you can use item functions as an item is hovered. Is item hovered? Is item active? Locks the horizontal position for new line. I don't understand. Begin group locks the horizontal position for new line. What does that even mean? That is so bad, this description. End group bundles the whole group so that you can use item functions. Okay. Okay, so it allows you to use like some function among the whole group. But how do you align it to the same? Okay, tools. Oh, we really need to enable this every time. Item picker. Call stick. Begin group. Button. Same line. Ah. Same line. Okay. Ignore changes. Same line. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, it's kind of weird. Maybe it makes sense. Good. So basically we would say this thing and then same line. And then button. Begin group. Button. Input text. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, that works. Browse. Okay, cool. Browse. XE PDB. Huh. Why can't you select multiple here? You can only select one of these. Oof. That's kind of weird. MGUI file dialog. All files. Maybe it needs to have a different symbol here. I don't know. Just guessing now. It's maybe it has some documentation. Filters. Can we? Does it have some documentation? No. No documentation. And this file is huge. Ah, that's... No, that doesn't work. It shows it in one line, but that's not what we wanted to do. Let's ask our friend ChatGPT with imgui file dialog. With the imgui file dialog, can we specify multiple file types to filter for at once? Yeah, show me. ChatGPT knows everything. Let's see. Yeah, stop. I want to see here. What is it? Filters. Ah. Aha. Image files. Okay, why is this written so... Why is it duplicated? I don't understand. ChatGPT knows everything though. I don't understand though why it has to be typed like this. Ah, this is just... Ah, okay. This is... I see. Okay, I understand. I understand. Okay, let's just hope it works then. So this is like a group. This is a group. Okay, I understand. So before we had two single groups and then it's separate. Okay, so here we say exe and pdb. Actually, we wouldn't need all this other stuff. Like we could remove this. Let's see how this looks. Maybe this is good enough. Oh. Okay, it shows us both types. That's good. But it's empty string. Okay, so we need to have here... Okay, executable. Executable .exe .pdb. Oh, pdb. Let's type it like this. Okay. Let's see. Browse. Okay, nice. Okay, that's cool. I like that. I like that. Okay, what I don't like is that we can move this here. Display. ImGUI window flags. How can we make windows not movable by their main bodies? How can we make ImGUI windows not movable by dragging their main bodies? Yeah, but this makes the whole thing not movable, right? Let me see. Let me see. No move. Okay. Okay, that works actually. Okay, cool. There's also this feature with pop-ups. Pop-ups. No. Context menus. No. This one. Close. This, I hate that the item IO config debug is debugger present true. Config debug IO config debug. I think we can set it here. Let's do if def release and if IO dot config debug config debug debugger is present true. Yes, please. Isn't there also like is debugger present? Isn't there some function like this? Maybe I'm mistaken. Debug API is debugger present, but that's Windows specific. Yeah. Let's just hard code it for now. That's fine. Where are we? Oh, this is hard. This is hard, man. This thing is hard. No move. Let's also make no move here. And not docking. Yeah. This one is also no docking. And also I would like to pop-ups, models, tools, item picker, pick this thing, call stack, here, open pop-up, begin modal, open pop-up. Tree pop, what is that? No idea. So open pop-up. Open pop-up. So if I understand correctly, we do something like this here. Here, open dialog. Oof. Open pop-up. I don't know if that's correct. Begin pop-up modal. I have no clue. Okay, so we have this. And then we want this here, which we already have. So we put this here, begin pop-up modal. So it's the dialog. And then here, imgui and pop-up modal. No. And pop-up. Is that correct? I don't know. Oh shit. I have no clue. Open pop-up. Input file dialog pop-up. Input file dialog pop-up. Save some characters. Display inputs file dialog. Okay, I have no idea if this does what I want, but we can only test it. Okay. I mean, in part it does, but not quite. I just want one, not two. Open pop-up. Begin pop-up modal. Open pop-up. Open dialog. I don't understand. Also, does it need to be here? Shit. Display. Open dialog. Dialog config. Dialog config. Modal. Ah, look, there's already a flag for this thing. Okay, well, then let's remove what we have added here, as apparently it looks like it's totally useless. Config dot flags. Flags. Man, this stuff is complicated. Oh, okay, that's nice. Yeah, this is cool. That is nice. Okay, I appreciate this. This is nice. Cancel. Select file, cancel. Okay, cancel. I wonder if we should move these buttons here to the end as well. Have it compact on one line. Also, this dialog, let me see. Config side pane width. User file. Side pane width. Um, to make the title bar the only draggable area, you can remove the move flag, but add logic to prevent moving when clicking the main body. Completely stationary. Prevents any movement. Oh. Oh, okay. It's actually different. But in our tests... Oh, yeah. It's not movable. Huh. Check if the title bar is being clicked. Okay, but that's really complicated. Check if the title bar is being clicked. What? Okay, this is really weird. That is really weird. Push. Command test. Begin. So begin. Set window size. Command test. Begin. Okay, well, let's command test, no docking. We don't want it to dock. It's okay, we can dock it. Okay, we can still move it. So ChatGPT Lite, big time. Okay, but this somehow works correctly. Somehow. Okay, I don't understand how to prevent moving. This clearly doesn't work. Um, um, Suggestion 2 does not work. Is there another way? This is getting way too complicated. We want a simple UI, not a super complicated. That's too complicated. But there was I thought that there was like a global option that you could set, wasn't there? Let me see. If I recall correctly, there was a global option that you could set somewhere here in the configuration. Here, Windows move from title bar only. This one. Config Windows move from title bar only. IO config Windows move from title bar only true. There we go. See? ChatGPT does not always give the best solutions here. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it does not. Okay, let's remove this here. Okay, we made progress, but really slow. Really slow. But yeah, we have to figure things out first. I mean, we got a bunch of buttons now. It is not much. And it does not even work correctly in parts. So, yeah. Read only. So we cannot type here. Yeah. Select file. Cancel. Okay, but this is already pretty decent. Then let's remove this garbage here. I would say we go here with the ImGUI naming, show command test. Let's put here what's it called? Flags. Const flags int, sorry. Flags that flags makes it a bit easier to read, I would say. Okay. There's just one more thing here. How about we put same line? We put begin group here, and we put same line here. And then here we do show input file dialog. Okay, this all that we have written here, I understand. I understand what is going on, so I can... That's good. We need to understand what we're doing, always. Yeah. Okay, this is... Maybe... I find it kind of weird that the name here is at the end. I think there may be a flag for this. But I see why it's doing this, so... ImGUI FMT, didn't it have some... ImGUI FMT... Where's that file? Here. Text FMT. Text FMT. Sorry, what? Text FMT. Ugh. I guess what we can do is ImGUI text FMT. Hold on, how is this supposed to be used? What do we actually pass here? Ah, we pass a string. Okay, so FMT. Let's do input file D. Input file D. And then I. And then here, how about we omit the text so it's not at the end. And then we put it here, same line here. Let's see. And then we put, let's put browse. Where's browse? Here. Let's put this here. So we have input file, then the browse button, then the file name, and then the remove at the end. Let's see. Boom, error. Well, that didn't go well. Yeah, great. Error. Yeah. What? I mean, the string looks good. Input file 0. That looks good. But this one falls apart. Oh boy. Why? Why is this written so weirdly? Const char. What? Text end. How about we do data The thing is that this is like inherently dangerous. If str is empty and you dereference it, then it's undefined behavior. I'm not sure. Why don't we? So this returns iterator, but we give it data. What does it take? Const. What if we do this const data plus str dot size? Let's see if that compiles. That would be my first guess. Yeah, let's see. But maybe that still crashes. Okay, that works. Yeah, I don't know what. Good. So we can do this. The text doesn't. It's kind of weird that it doesn't really. These things, they don't sit on the same line, so that's a bit weird. Yeah. The input text, does it have some flags? Input text flags. Let me see. Maybe there's flag to basic filters. Read only password. Okay, how about we do the following? We do std string const std string name std no fmt format I can't type format input file 02d I name name.cstr and we remove this guy and we move how about we remove this thing, the remove button to the front, then the browse, and then the input text. How about that? And then we remove this here. Okay, how about that? Maybe this looks good. Because then the remove and the add buttons are, let's just call it add. Remove add. Yeah, remove add. So you add stuff here. Okay, input file 0. Okay, that looks cool. I like it. I like it. That's kind of weird though. What is this here? Why is this scaling so weird? Why is the scaling so weird? Does this also happen with other things? Let me see. Okay, this scale's nice. Why does the scale so weird? Huh. Man. Why is the demo app so working so much better? Boy. Boy. It really is working much better, but why? Maybe there's some flag that makes this behave the way it does. Okay, but it's okay. It's wait, let's see text here. Word wrapping. Let's see how this behaves. This behaves much better. This stuff here. Okay. Okay, but we made progress. I like that we have some functionality at least. Yeah. I mean, it's retarded. Yeah. It's yet retarded, but it's what I wanted to do. So in that regard, it's correct. Yeah, so basically the idea is that here we set up the input files and then they will show up in another dialog where we can then do the comparison. So you just, here you select a bunch of files and then in the comparison, then you select these. And then as you, I haven't thought this through very much, but yeah. I haven't thought that through much. Yeah. I mean, you could argue that, okay, just do it in the comparison window, just add the files there. But if we do it this way, then I don't know. It defines the lifetime of these loaded files here. Like, let's say we load it once, then it just stays here. until we remove it. You know, that's the idea behind this. And then it can be moved at different, can be used at different places. Yeah. Yeah, okay, we need to do a lot more homework here. This doesn't work yet correctly. Yeah. Of course, we need to make some change here. And yeah, okay. But I'm already happy that at least there is some, you see there is something happening. There is some progress. So yeah, obviously we need to still forward these things here when we select them. So that's not working right now. But I think we will get there, yeah. Okay, good. Then I will end it here. We made a little bit of progress, not much, but yeah, it's better than nothing. Good. Then I wish you a great day or night until next time. Goodbye.